Most beginner traders lose money in trading because no one tells them the right way to start. Hey everyone, I am Harshal. I've been trading from 4 years, mainly trading gold. And in this video, I show you exactly how to start trading from zero. Build your first profitable trading plan. So make sure you watch till the end. Because I also tell you how to learn real strategies for in free inside my community. Let's start with step 1. Learning how the market really moves. Most beginners open chart and start putting indicators everywhere like RSI, MACD, moving average, but that's not how professional trade. The market move because of structure, liquidity and price action. Think of the market like this. It also moving trends, pullbacks and consolidation. Your goal as a trader is to identify where big players are buying and selling. Learn market structure, higher highs, higher lows in uptrend and lower highs, lower lows in downtrend. You don't need 10 indicators. You need to understand how prices react at key level. I spent my first year chasing indicators and losing money. The day I start studying price movement, my trading completely changed. So before you even think about live trading, master structures and liquidity concept, and this is your functions. Now step 2. Choosing the right pair to start with. If you are a beginner, don't jump directly gold or crypto. Start with low liquidity pairs like Euro USD, USD JPY, JPP USD. This is a low manipulation pairs and are perfect for learning price action. Once you gain the confidence, then go for high liquidity pairs like gold or crypto pairs like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Gold move fast. You can catch massive movements but also big loss if you are not ready. So first, build your technical skills on slow pairs. Understand the rhythm of market, then move to big leagues. Now step 3, backtesting. Every trade talks about strategies, but very few test it properly. If you don't understand backtesting, you are basically judging. Here what backtesting means. You take your strategy, go to past market data and test how it performs. You mark entries, exit, win rate, drawdown and took notes. You can use TradingView replay mode or even screenshot in Notion. The goal is to know if I took this setup 100 times, what would my average result be? I see 93% traders lose money because they trade untested strategies and call the market gambling. But trading isn't gambling, it's data, patience and practice. So backtest your setup before you even risk single dollar. Step 4. The most important part, risk management. As a beginner, risk only 1 at 3% of your capital per trade. Let's say you have a $10,000. You can only lose $100 to $300 in one trade. That's how you survive your losing streak. Use a proper stop loss and never move it hoping price will come back. Remember, trading is not about winning every trade. It's about protecting your capital so you can trade tomorrow. Also control greed. If you take 2 good trades a day, stop trade even first you trade in profit. Stop trading for the day. This single rule of discipline changed my journal completely. When you start trading like a business, the result follow automatically. Step 5. Journaling your trades. Even professional traders, even I also, journaling my every single trade. Where you entry, where you exit and how you feel. I use Notion for journaling. Now I note the timing, sessions, outcomes, which trade I took and my emotions. At the end of the week, I review everything. That's when I find pattern. Why I lost on Wednesday, why I overtrade on Friday, and what setup works best for me. Be honest in your journaling. Don't hide your emotions. That's where you're learning the much. Let's repeat. First, learn how the market moves. Second, choose the right pair. Third, backtesting your strategy. Fourth, manage your risk. Fifth, journal every trade. That's the full roadmap for beginners who actually wants to grow in trading. If you follow these 5 setups in consistency and patience, you grow faster than most traders who've been in the game for years. And if you want to learn real strategy, join our trading community. We host daily live sessions, no course selling, no fake promises, just pure trading and learn together. Also follow our Instagram account for daily market updates, live trading breakdowns and motivation to keep you focused. Thanks for watching. I see you in next video.